I've just bought another iPhone. It's an iPhone 4S I only got for $30, and it's a pretty good deal since it has the box and all the original accessories. So now let's open this up. Wow, it's looking awesome. It's a 16GB model. And now for the moment of truth. There we have it. Okay, it's got a screen protector and it's looking quite nice, I must say. Very clean. Let's see if it has any juice, and it does. So let's look at the rest of the box. In the meantime, we got the plastic thing, the manuals. Yes, there you go. But no Apple stickers, unfortunately. Up next we have the headphones. I'm pretty sure I'm never gonna use these. They're disgusting. The original 5-watt charger and the 30-pin cable. This is not the original one. The iPhone 4S ones are pretty much half the size of this, so this must be an iPod charger. Now that the iPhone is turned on, I'm gonna set it up. And there you have it. It's an iOS 9. I do notice there are some white spots around here on the display, but they usually go away with some use. So it's a 16GB model, iOS 9.3.5, and it's also matching the IMEI on the box. Let's try the camera. It works. Front-facing camera also works. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Just look at the back, it's in amazing conditions. So this is it for this video. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and have a great day.